Economic outlook is not rosy for millions of Americans who are struggling with credit card debt. New regulations are designed to make it easier to pay down those balances and avoid getting trapped in debt. CBS 4 Chief Consumer Investigator Al Sunshine is joining us from our For Your Money phone bank tonight with new rules about plastic. Al?
Elliot, absolutely, and I want to put a top on it so you understand what's going on. The U.S. Treasury Department later today is expected to announce that savings and loan company profits are up at their highest level since 2007, almost $2 billion. Now, while the banks are making the money, struggling consumers are finding it harder today to get a cheaper credit card, even though those interest rates have been dropping steadily for several years now. We're using our credit cards a lot less than just a few years ago, but in many cases, that's because a growing number of consumers just can't afford their monthly payments anymore. And with fewer choices, the accounts are either being canceled and paid off or referred to a collection agency.
And that means if they insult you by turning your credit line off, they're going to do it. If they're going to put you into a program for a short period of time to get money out of you, whether you can afford it or not, they're going to do that.
New credit card laws prohibit banks from retroactively raising rates on old balances without your approval to cancel the account. It also gives consumers more time to pay their bills, which now must be fully disclosed how long it's going to take to pay off those balances. They're also prohibited from marketing credit cards to consumers under the age of 21. But the downside is banks are making it a lot harder for consumers to renegotiate cheaper rates in an effort to try and boost profits wherever they can. And don't forget, that's on top of the billions of dollars the banks have already gotten from the federal government the past few years to stay in business.
Banks right now are profiting because, frankly, they've basically got an interest-free loan.
From Uncle Sam.
From you and I, absolutely.
Well, they may be getting deals, but obviously the rest of us aren't. And that's why if you need to get some inside information about how to deal with bill collectors, how to still fight for the lowest rates on your credit cards and mortgages, give us a call. We're going to have our experts here until 6:30. The number again, 305-597-4404. For Your Money, I'm Al Sunshine, CBS 4 News.